We are going to do a simple science experiment.
Hi viewers, today we are going to do bubble inside a bubble. It is a fun science experiment that kids can do at home by themselves. Things you will need: water, dish soap, sugar, straw, and a tablespoon for measurement. Let's start. Take 200 ml of water in a jar. Pour 2 tablespoons of dish soap into the water. Pour 1 tablespoon of sugar. And mix it. We're done
With the solution.
now. Spread the solution on even surface. Dip the straw into solution. Blow a bubble slowly on the surface. Blow another bubble inside first bubble as shown. You may do as many as you want.
We are going to show it to you in a different view.
Done with the experiment. Do you know why this happens? Let me explain. Do you know that bubbles are amazing? It's just a thin puff of air trapped inside a thin film of soap and water. Its beautiful swirling colors and shape make it true wonders of science. Bye bye. I'm done explaining. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It's me signing off.